Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a little tack haul as well as showing you guys how to make DIY horse trees. But before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel as well as Hoofbeats. It's me and Mariah's channel that we've been working on for quite a while now, as well as Mariah's personal channel that is called So starting with the tack haul, all the things that I either got for Christmas or just bought myself. So starting with these breeches, I got them from Christmas from my mom. I've used them a couple times and I really like them. They're from the brand Bayleaf. You can see that, and they also have really nice pockets, and they have like this sticky silicone stuff on the feet so that they don't slide up. Also, if you are interested in getting some of your own, there will be a picture of them on Amazon up here. The next item is this saddle pad. It's in a really cute blue color. I'll insert a photo here of it on Amazon. It's not in the same color. I don't know why. I think they took this exact color off. It's from the brand Tough Rider. I've used it a couple times so far. It's been in my videos also a couple times, and it's really nice. That I bought myself before Christmas. Next, it's these gloves. They're pink. I really like them. They are from the brand Winter's Gear. I got these from Alex for Christmas. I've used them before. They have really good grip and they are really comfy. Last and final thing is these boots. These have to be my favorite things that I got. I got these from my grandma for Christmas. They're really nice. They have these little pegs instead of using spurs if you need them. Really tall. They have this button on the back. They're from the brand, I think, like Equestrian Star, I think. I don't know, but this is the label thing. And mix it with my hands. So now I'm just going to add a half cup of warm water to the mixture and stir it with the spoon. So this is what it looks like right now, pretty liquidy still. So now I'm just going to add some more flour. There's not really an exact recipe, I just eyeball it. So yeah. Do we have spraying oil stuff?
Cooking spray?
Yeah.
No, but you can get
I'll just use, yeah.
what flame?
So now that this is mostly mixed, I'm just going to get some flour, put it on my hands so that it doesn't get on my hands and stick to my hands. And now I'm just going to use my hands. Can you put more flour in here, Mom? Oh, nice.
Like so.
That's good. Can you give me a spoon?
Give you a what?
Spoon. Oh, sorry.